Akkad, Bakkad.
Children, today we will read a story about the ant and the duck.
Children, today we will read a story about ants and the duck.
One day, an ant fell in a pond.
One day, an ant fell in pond.
It was drowning in the water.
It was drowning in the water.
A duck in the pond saw this.
A duck in the pond saw this.
The duck threw a leaf in the water to save the ant.
The duck threw a leaf in the water to save the ant.
They became good friends.
They became good friends.
Another day, a hunter came and aimed at the duck.
Another day, a hunter came and aimed at the duck.
The ant saw the hunter.
The ant saw the hunter.
The ant bit the hunter and saved the duck.
The ant bit the hunter and saved the duck.
Moral: always be helpful to others.
Moral: always be helpful to others.
Bye bye, children. Like, share, and
Subscribe.